A Southwest Philadelphia family is reunited with its long-lost dog, Teddy, and the other family dog, Mimi, vanished from the backyard in November of 2019. Fast forward to last Friday, they got a call from the Philadelphia Animal Hospital saying a Good Samaritan brought one of the dogs in. Teddy's microchip confirmed the canine's identity, and the family is so grateful.
I was overwhelmed because before I even left the house, I was just trying to find something to put on, and I was crying. I just was crying. My daughter said, "Mom, you crying?" I said, "Yes, I'm crying, but I'm not. I'm just crying. I'm just overwhelmed."
Mimi remains missing, but the family is optimistic.
Well, hopefully you enjoy today's Taste of Spring because it's back to winter tomorrow. Chief Meteorologist Kate Bilo is always watching, always tracking. And Kate, what's the latest on the winter storm that is headed our way?
It's crazy to talk about 70 degrees and a winter storm basically in the same sentence, but it has been a crazy February ride so far. Here's a live look at Center City right now, and you can see still a little light in the sky. It was a beautiful day. Unfortunately, it is ending, and with it, the end of what we've been calling fake spring around here. Mother Nature faked us out a little bit over the past week, really. We've had several days in the 60s. But now those 60s are a thing of the past. Once we drop below 60 here tonight, we are likely not going to see a 6 in front of that number for quite some time. Feels like 60, not much of a wind chill out there tonight, but the winds are strong, gusting to 28 miles per hour in the city right now as colder air begins to move in and temperatures steadily dropping this evening and tonight. 31 degrees will be the overnight low tonight, partly to mostly cloudy. Still seasonably cold tonight, but the problem is tomorrow temperatures just go nowhere. It's kind of a cloudy day, maybe a few breaks of some blue sky here and there, but most of the day is cloudy and very cold. 37 degrees with areas of a patchy light wintry mix possible throughout the course of the afternoon. Storm Scan 3 once again showing nothing happening right now, but it doesn't take much of a zoom to see the next system heading our way, and this is producing snow across southern Illinois. We've got some sleet, freezing rain, and just plain old rain, and we're going to see all of those precipitation types tomorrow night across our area. So winter storm watch has already been posted for the Poconos, the Lehigh Valley, and also Berks County. Wouldn't be surprised to see a winter weather advisory for especially Montgomery, Bucks, Chester counties later tomorrow as this system approaches, because it does look like we'll have to watch for some slick travel and some icing. Watch the temperatures drop tonight. We're down to below freezing. Tomorrow, this is noon, and we're barely in the mid-30s. So this is as the first little batch of precipitation, really the warm front starts to lift through. A little light snow, sleet, or rain is possible, not much, and that's out of here quickly. It's later tomorrow night, by about 9 or 10 o'clock, that the steadier precipitation begins to move in, and temperatures are close to freezing at this point. As the rain falls, surface temps are around freezing. The problem is the ground is still going to be retaining a lot of the warmth that we saw today, so it may inhibit a little bit of the icing potential. However, when you have temperatures close to freezing or sub-freezing at the surface, especially elevated surfaces, untreated surfaces, bridges and overpasses, you are going to get a glaze of ice. This is around midnight, and then as we head through the night, you can see warmer temperatures start to migrate northward, but it's not until the sun comes up that we really see this transition from south to north to just plain rain, and in that time we could be looking at some dangerous amounts of icing. Looking at about 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch possible around the city and north and west suburbs, maybe even some of our colder South Jersey suburbs. Significant icing possible north and west, where over 1/4 of an inch could accrete on surfaces, and that's after up to 3 or 4 inches of snow in the Poconos. It's going to be a mess, especially up there. But even near the city, the first part of the Friday morning commute does look icy. Leave yourself plenty of extra time. Once the sun comes up, things should start to get a little bit better, but it's chilly throughout the afternoon, and then we'll keep it cold but bright through the weekend and into next week. We'll send it back to you.
All right, Kate, thank you.